to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
Hey y'all, so I am doing a quick no makeup look today. I've already did my edges on my hair. I'm gonna wear this scarf. Kind of goes with the outfit, the concept. Contacts is where I start. Cause I'm a blind baddie, I cannot see. Somebody asked me, are those real glasses or are those for fashion? Pooh. I can't see, baby. It's for real, for real. Okay, so I'm gonna put my contacts in, and this is how I put my contacts in with nails. People don't understand how I do it or how I even get them out, but I definitely can make it work. Okay, she's in. Now, the first time I wore contacts, it took me forever to get them in, and took me forever to get them out. Like, I literally cried now. But ever since that one time, that was all I needed. Boom. Bam. Okay, so first we're gonna get this scarf situation situated. Hey, I'll probably cut out the part of my hair. I'll say it's not bad in the front. Oh, this looks awful. That be getting on my nerves. One side look good, the other side look awful. If there's a question of my heart, you got it. Make sure I got it placed properly, okay? Here's out. Put a cute little bow in it. Perfect. Okay, so first we're gonna start with my foundation. Well, not foundation, but I'm gonna use this Airspun loose face powder to apply to the places where I'm gonna put makeup. And I'm gonna be putting makeup here, 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 and here. And I might put a little contour up there, but these are the only places I'm putting makeup. But it'll blend all over, so I'll just put it all over. Yeah, I'm not doing brows, none of that. This is kind of for just like days where definitely want to dress up a plain fit, or especially like when my hair isn't done. You gotta pull it together and still make a complete look. But I've seen some scarf looks lately that have been tea, okay? Tea. Okay, that's on. going to set that with some setting spray. The Urban Decay setting spray. My Holy Grail. Let that dry. I'll get my other stuff ready. I'm going to be applying primer. I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to let that dry for a second. Okay. Apply the primer. Just tapping away. I'm going to have to wait for that to dry as well. Okay, I did decide that I was going to go in and just fill my brows a little bit, but I'm not doing any concealer because I tweezed my brows, so they're going to give what they're going to give. Just a little quick 1-2. And that's the 1-2. So now we're going to go in with concealer. This is the concealer that's actually my skin tone. This is the NARS Amande. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but I'm putting some under my eyes. And then I'm gonna put some on my cheeks. And on my lip. Alright, and while I'm letting that dry down, I'm going to use my LYS in the color No Limits Courage. I'm going to put some of that here. Here. And I'm also going to do some on my eyelids to give the illusion that I got on eyeshadow. I'm going to put a smidge on my cheeks. Smidge. Mm-hmm. Mm. And I kind of pull it into my nose. blend out the concealer. And once that's done, I'm going to go in with the NARS concealer in Caramel under my eyes. And I'm going to put it on my nose as well. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. While that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, which I'm just using the Maybelline Colossal Bubble. See the difference? Alright, now I'm blending the concealer. Just to give a little highlight under my eyes. And now I'm gonna put some Mercier translucent honey powder under my eyes. Just set my face. And then when I dust it, I'm gonna actually put the concealer everywhere. I mean the powder everywhere that I put concealer. Which is pretty much everywhere. Press it into my skin. All right, now we're gonna use the NYX Buttermilk Blush. This is in the shade of My Butter Half. Okay, this is what it looks like. Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna blend that in. Okay. Look. I'm gonna use the NYX Liner lip pencil. I already got on a little gloss. I don't want a really big harsh line. I'm gonna put on this Sephora gloss. This is in Sleek. I love the pinkish tint and it's got a little glitter moment. And there we have it. I think I'm gonna change my earrings. And I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. What do y'all think? All we gotta do is setting spray. First I'm gonna go in with a little Urban Decay oil control. Let that dry. Ooh, forgot my highlight. Do a little right here. And a little on my nose. I got mascara up there. I'm gonna just wipe that off. You have to let it dry first. One size setting spray. And there we have a makeup, no makeup look.
Change our minds. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love.